everyone! Welcome to episode 2 of the American Cooking Class series. We hope you enjoyed our last video. This time, Devana chose the recipe. So, what are we making today?
So, for the second video, I would like to make an American breakfast classic, baked French toast. This is not your ordinary French toast. It's baked in the oven and resembles a bread pudding.
So why baked French toast?
I first had this dish at a restaurant and fell in love with it. And so I found out how to make it at home. It's very easy to whip together, and since it sits overnight, it's quick to bake up in the morning for breakfast. It's a family favorite in my house.
Sounds great! Can't wait to get started.
パンを切ります。パンを漬け込む準備をします。卵を入れます。牛乳を入れます。砂糖を入れます。シナモンを入れます。ナツメグ入れます。バニラ入れます。塩を入れます。しっかり混ぜます。バターを塗った容器、パンを入れます。パンにかけます。軽く押さえます。ホイルで包んで一晩寝かせます。ではトッピングをして焼きます。溶かしたバターをかけます。黒砂糖とシナモンを混ぜてかけます。
いただきます。It looks amazing. It's very sweet and crunchy, but also soft. It's really an American flavor. I like it a lot. いただきます。外側がすごいサクサクなんですけど、中は液が染み込んでジューシーでなんかプリンみたいですね。で、朝ごはんでも美味しいですし、3時のおやつとかに食べるとすごく美味しいと思います。
フレンチトーストっていうけども、僕らが食べてるフレンチトーストは違うね。ではいただきます。美味しい。本当にこうカリカリって中がプリンみたい。なんかシナモンが入ってるのかな。とっても美味しいです。 品良かったでしょうか。
So what did you think?
I want to make that every morning for breakfast. It was delicious.
It had the perfect taste and texture.
I'm glad you liked it. So next time, we'll be making a recipe of Umi's choosing.
A salmon quiche. This is my mother's special recipe. We'll even use local Samani salmon.
Sounds amazing. I can't wait to try it.
See you next time!